From Australia, Melbourne, she came to GLOJAS for the SMART FUE technique, lowering hairline with the oval shape. The design has been drawn. Now comes the most important part, the surgical planning and the surgical organization of the graft. 1,500 grafts will be placed inside here to give her the natural result.
Hello, so today I've come all the way from Melbourne, Australia, here at GLOJAS clinic, and I've opted for an oval hairline created by Professor Dato Dr. JasG, and I really like it, and I'm hoping for the final results. So I just finished my hair transplant here at GLOJAS clinic using the SMART FUE technique. I got my perfect oval hairline created by Professor Dato Dr. JasG, and I thank GLOJAS team for their hard work. The procedure was pain-free and very smooth, and I'm excited for the final results.